The soul musician Marvin Gaye is known for a song called "What's Going On?", a phrase I've heard a lot the last couple weeks applied to this winter's weather. I'd like to address that question in a few ways, with some meteorology, a little geography, and some statistics. As far as the meteorology goes, it's been a case of a persistent large-scale pattern which at upper levels features a relatively warm pool of air that's more often than not ridged well into the North Atlantic towards Greenland. Now this sets up a blocking pattern upstream that favors a trough in the eastern U.S., encouraging cold air to stay locked in there, in a ridge in the west that's helped bring some anomalous warmth to the Olympics. Meanwhile, to the south in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean, warmer than average waters related to El Nino have increased the north-south temperature contrast over the subtropical Pacific, strengthening the southern branch of the jet stream, and this has sent frequent disturbances, often energetic, always moisture-laden, across the southern U.S. And when they met up with the cold air in the east, the results, several historic snowstorms. And this configuration doesn't come along very often, and when it does, it's rarely this persistent. Part of why the snow is such a big deal lies in where it's fallen. Here's the area that, as Paul Knight told a reporter last week, must have a target on its back that says "Dump on me." Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, already their snowiest winter on record. And about 25 million people live in this area, and that's really the key. Because if an area the same size was in interior New England or in the mid-Mississippi River Valley or stretching across parts of Michigan and Wisconsin, it would affect a lot less people and get a lot less attention. Here's some other similarly sized areas, a few with less than 1 million people in them. And if the snow had fallen in any of these, you wouldn't hear nearly as much talk about the historic winter. As they say in real estate, location, location, location. Now, statistically, this year is off the charts. I mean, in Philadelphia, where snow records go back to 1884, there's only been one prior winter with 3 snowstorms of 10 inches or more, and all of them were less than 15 inches that year. The smallest of this winter's 3 big snowstorms put down more than that, 15.8 inches. And the other 2 snowstorms this winter are now the second and third biggest on record in the city. Amazingly, for a time earlier this month, Philadelphia actually had the most snow of any major reporting station in the state, a few tenths more than Erie, which almost always is the king. Now, since then, Erie has pulled ahead, leading by about 6 inches as of yesterday. But a Weather World viewer asked if there'd ever been a winter when Philadelphia led the state in snow. Well, there have been 2 when Philly had more snow than Erie, 1906-07, 1932-33. But in both those winters, Harrisburg had more than Philadelphia. So, as best I can tell, it hasn't happened, at least back to the late 1800s. Nonetheless, enough has happened this winter that I already have a call into my publisher to update the Philadelphia area weather book. Fred is back with the extended forecast next.